How to block someone on Snapchat. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Snapchat tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block anyone on Snapchat. So if maybe someone is harassing you or contacting you and you want to block them on Snapchat, in this tutorial I'll show you how to do that. All right, so the first thing we need to do is simply open up the Snapchat app on our iPhone or Android phone. And once you're in the app, in the bottom menu, select the chat icon to the left of the camera to open up all of your chats or messages you've received, things like that. From there, in the list of people, we just want to find the person who we want to block. So I'm just going to do Team Snapchat at the top right here. Once you've found the person you want to block, simply long press that person for just a second or two. And then in the new menu that appears, select Manage Friendship. Now you can report them if they're harassing you or maybe threatening you, but to block them, all we need to do is select Block, confirm we do want to block them, and then there you go, they will be removed from chat, and we have now blocked that person. If you're looking to unblock someone, check the description because I have a tutorial showing you how to do that as well. All right, so that's how you block someone on Snapchat. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Snapchat tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.